Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking your Moto model and Android version so you know which launcher options appear. Once done, long press an empty area on the home screen. This opens the launcher menu. Make sure to tap Home Settings or Styles and Wallpapers. Some Motorola builds hide controls under wallpapers. You're doing this because the search bar is a widget controlled by the launcher. By entering these settings, you get immediate access to remove or replace that widget. You now long press the Google search bar itself. This reveals options like remove or edit. Drag the bar to remove or trash to delete it from the home screen, and you'll see the space free up immediately. If edit shows a visibility toggle, switch it off to hide the bar without removing layout. If the widget won't detach, go to Settings Apps Google and disable or uninstall updates to stop the persistent search widget from reappearing. You finish by rebooting the phone to ensure the removal sticks and checking other home screens for duplicates. If you want full control, install a third-party launcher like Nova or Launchair and set it as default. That prevents Moto's launcher from re-adding the bar. If the search bar reappears, clear the launcher's cache and data, and as a last resort, disable the Google app temporarily. This fixes persistence issues caused by system updates or launcher over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.